Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today at Cherokee Lock Picking. Today for Stock Lock Sunday I have a couple of frames. They're quite old. I just noticed that this key, if you don't push it in all the way, kind of goes cockeyed on you. It is the original key though. It's a nice looking key. There's the bitty. And this was made in the USA. To me, when I look in there, it looks like just a regular old wafer lock, but then I guess they called them disc locks, because these are both the same inside. A little bit different keyway, but keys don't fit each other, I know that. So, see what it takes to get in this thing. And okay, that was fairly quick. I don't think I'd want to use that on anything back in those days, but a lot of people didn't know about such things. Now this one says 5-disc frame cylinder. It's a nice looking lock made in the United States. The appears to be in really nice shape. The shackle is very smooth, and so I don't know if somebody worked on this lock or if it's just wasn't used that much. I don't know. If we knew the history on these locks, it'd be awesome. Okay, let's see what it takes to get in here. A little give one, felt like 3. I don't know if I showed you the key on this one. There we go. There's your 5-disc frame cylinder. This is not the original key. This is a Y14, and the bidding was horrible. So obviously these are all rakeable. City Rake works on them like magic, but more fun to pick it. Anyways, I hope you like and subscribe, and come back real soon. Have a wonderful Sunday. Bye-bye.